I'm Emmanuel and welcome to my workbench. Today I will be doing another short mail call. This is a little bit of a Christmas gift I got myself. So let's see what I got. And here we are. I have 3 banknotes. They're all $1 banknotes, as well as 2 silver dollars and a silver half-dollar. Let's start with the coins. The first one here is a silver half-dollar. This is a 1947 with the straight 7 variety. So I didn't have this variety in my collection, so glad to have that one. This one has King George VI on the obverse. Really good condition coin. Awesome. Second one is a 1956 silver dollar. Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse. Awesome. And the third one is a 1952. All of these will fill a spot in my collection that I am missing. And this is King George VI on the obverse. Cool. Let's look at the banknotes. The first banknote is this 1954 series. There's a star, so this is a replacement banknote. B over M serial number. And the signatures are B.D. Razminsky. You can tell in the Queen's hair, this is not the Devil's hair version. This is the modified version. And this is a farming scene over here. So this will fill a spot in my collection as well. And the second one as well from the same series is also a star note. This one is an A over A. This one also is a B.D. Razminsky signature over here. Awesome. And finally, we have a 1973 series. This one is also a replacement note. You can tell here with the X in the third letter, they stopped, when they went to 3-letter prefixes, they stopped using the star and they went to the X in the third spot. So this is a replacement note. That is cool. And here is a logging scene with the Parliament buildings in the back on the Ottawa River over here. That is cool. This is the series that I grew up with when I was growing up in my youth. This is what I was. And the signatures are Lawson Bowie. Awesome. Well, I hope you enjoyed this short mail call. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, click on my logo to subscribe. Here's a video that you might enjoy, as well as a playlist of other mail calls that you might enjoy. Until next time, thanks for watching.